much for tuning in to Mama Shmoo's Reviews. Today, my daughter is doing the STEM Reads unboxing. Are you excited?
Mom, can I open it?
Yes, you can open it. So let's open it and see what we get. What did we get, sis? Can you show us? We got Rockin' Discovery Space Rocks. And then we got, what is this, sis? A maze. And we're going to learn about meteors from National Geographic's Kid. Whoa, you got stickers, sis?
My book.
And this is, I think, a note from what's inside. Whoa, you got a Oh No Asteroid book? And what other book did you get? Caroline's Comets? This is super cool. And then you can play with all this. Do you want to look inside the book? Let me see what the book looks like inside. Is it pretty cool? Oh, it's a note from the author.
Oh my God.
Is it beautiful? Let's see what the inside of the book looks like. Nice. So that's a cool book for us to read, right, babe?
Ooh.
And then
Esther of the Astro Boy.
this is Astro. Ooh. Oh, that's a silly book, isn't it? It says, "Good gravity, you struck me." He's so silly. So this is just a little quick unboxing of the STEM Reads. We got this for our review, so I'm excited to learn about space this week. Do you like it, sis? Do you like it, sis? She likes books.
Thank you for watching my Mom's Reviews, and thank you for giving me this. Bye.